Hi everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. In this lesson we are going to start with a new topic, and the topic is interrogative words, or simply question words. So here's a list of the interrogative words or question words that we have in Spanish, and we are going to have a video over each one. In this lesson we are going to focus on the question word why, which is por qué. Notice it's written as two words, and it does have a written accent mark. So por qué means why. So let's go ahead and look at some examples. Why do you wait, or why are you waiting? So you know the question word is por qué, and see if you can guess the question before I show it to you in all of these examples. So why do you wait? Remember, the verb to wait is esperar. Esperar, it's a regular AR verb, and we're using tú as the subject. So the question would be por qué esperas? Por qué esperas? Why do you wait, or why are you waiting? Next question, why do you study? The verb estudiar, a regular AR verb, and we've studied the AR verbs in detail at this point. So why do you study? Again with tú as your subject. Por qué, and then the verb estudiar with tú. Por qué estudias? ¿Por qué estudias? Why do you study? Why are you studying? Next question, why do you not study? Or literally, why are you not studying? Again, the question word por qué. And then we have estudias, and notice the negation always goes directly before the conjugated verb in the present tense. So simply, ¿por qué no estudias? ¿Por qué no estudias? Why do you not study? Why are you not studying? Or you might use a contraction in English, why aren't you studying? ¿Por qué no estudias? Let's look at some more examples. Why not? Remember, not, the negation is simply the word no. So the question would be, ¿por qué no? ¿Por qué no? Why not? Why do you feel bad? Okay, feel is a verb that we have not had. So that's te sientes. It's a reflexive verb, and we'll get to those soon. So the question here is, ¿por qué te sientes mal? Why do you feel bad? ¿Por qué te sientes mal? Why are you tired? Remember the verb estar with an adjective, cansado or cansada. So the question would be, ¿por qué estás cansado? ¿Por qué estás cansada? Why are you tired? Why are you angry? ¿Por qué? And remember the verb estar with enojado. ¿Por qué estás enojado when you're addressing a male? ¿Por qué estás enojada when you're addressing a female? Spanish speakers from Spain might use a different adjective here. Instead of enojado, they use enfadado, and we'll see that in an example that's coming up. The last one here, why are you sad? ¿Por qué estás triste? ¿Por qué estás triste? Okay, some more examples. Why is she here? Remember, to talk about location, we use the verb estar. So, ¿por qué está ella aquí? ¿Por qué está ella aquí? Why is she here? Why are we stopping? This would be the verb parar, which is a regular AR verb in the present tense. ¿Por qué paramos? Why are we stopping, or why do we stop? Why are we not going? Remember, we just studied the verb ir. ¿Por qué no vamos? ¿Por qué no vamos? Why are they going? ¿Por qué van ellos? And the last one here, why are they angry? ¿Por qué están enojados? Or, as I mentioned previously, speakers from Spain may use the adjective enfadado, and notice it's plural because of they. ¿Por qué están enfadados? Or ¿por qué están enojados? So the question why is por qué. One word that accompanies the question word is the word por qué, written as one word. When it's written as one word, it means because, and we always use because in the answer to a question with why. So let's look at an example. Why do you study? Why are you studying? ¿Por qué estudias? The answer, I am studying because I have an exam. So we can do this in three parts. I am studying, estudio, because, ¿por qué, written as one word, and then I have an exam, tengo un examen. So put it all together. Estudio porque tengo un examen. Okay, and that's it. That's your introduction to the interrogative word or question word, ¿por qué? Why? Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.